Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Alexis Sanderson. She is 8 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy, and she's a level 3, level 4, which means that she walks with 2 hands held. Hi there, pretty well. So let's see that. Alexis, can you show me how you can walk with 2 hands held? Come on, Alexis. Oh, I see that the school bus went by and you want to be on the school bus. But Alexis, we're walking. Come on, sweetie pea. Let's go. Nice. Nice. I love for her to be walked with 2 hands held, or with her hands held, because for her to be able to walk with a walker, she needs to, Alexis, you're going to have to stand up. She needs to be able to hold on to the walker with her hands. So her hands are what are keeping her from going to the next step, because she really needs to be able to have more control through her arms for to be able to manage a walker well. She can also walk, I think the family typically walks her with either trunk support or hand support from behind. So let's go, Alexis. She can go pretty fast this way. I think you can see that she does a lot of that steppage gait pattern where she brings up her legs and puts them down. And with that much support, she's more likely to do that with somebody who's given her lots of support. You can also walk her with 2 hands held from behind. This is okay, but it tends to encourage her to go into lots of extension. So I'm not as crazy about it. Another way that you can walk Alexis is with 1 hand held. So she's got a better left hand than her right hand, so she walks better with her left hand held than her right. You ready, Alexis? Hold on, Alexis. You ready? Nice job, sweetie. Nice. And she can walk with, so I can probably walk, 150 feet or so that way. And with her right hand, it's a little bit trickier. So Alexis, do you want to play hide? You do? All right, I got to walk with this hand. Here we go. So right hand held's just a little trickier. Still not bad. Oh, Alexis. Oh, Alexis. One of her favorite games is to play hide. So if you'll excuse us, we're going to go play hide. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.